Hi, I'm Laura Bomey, and I'll be your instructor for BA 206 Management Fundamentals. This is the first week announcement and video to help you get oriented to the course. When you first land in Canvas on the main page, you will see each week your to-dos, and then you will also see on the left the various items that allow you to access materials for the course. I'd like to show you first, when you go into the modules area, the start here. And so the start here is your first week check-in process. This is a requirement for the first week attendance. This is your introduction to the course and a confirmation that you have in fact read the syllabus. And then beyond that, you will go down through each of these items to verify that you have checked them out. So for example, here's the course syllabus. You will want to look at that. It's linked here for you. Additionally, another link to the syllabus over here will give you each item as it's coming up in the term, gives you the weighting for the course materials throughout the term that we have together. This is also the institutional syllabus. And then each week you will have modules that will be released to you, and the items will be opened generally on Sunday or Monday and then due the following Tuesday. So you'll have approximately 8 days to get things done. So you will want to make sure that you look at the course syllabus, the institutional syllabus. Here's the information to meet your instructor, how to get a hold of me. Definitely do the introduction, that is a requirement, and then move into the week one assignments. And so each week you'll see this same format. There'll be an overview area that gives you what you need to do for that week, the learning outcomes, all the activities. Please note, as it says here, the first week check-in, which I've already said, that's a requirement. And then also this video, all of the items, specifically the assignments that you need to turn in each week. And you can also access them through the modules link here on the left. So again, you could just go into the overview and then the learning materials. The learning materials each week will give you this the textbook chapter, as it mentions in the syllabus. The textbook is free to you. It is online, so you can click here. I also provide a PDF and then a PowerPoint for you. And then there are additional weekly readings and resources such as videos. We'll be referring to this management theory throughout the course, so check those out. And then you will be able to use the next button at the bottom of the screen to get to the next areas. Each week there will be a quiz. You will have an opportunity to take 3 times to get your best score. Once you're done with that, if you want to retake it, you can just retake it. And then you will have another assignment this first week. This is an application. So each week you have an application activity, and you will have multiple attempts to do that as well. And so please make sure you review it, especially this one this week is one on time management. The reason for this is as emerging managers and leaders, it's really important that you have a good sense of your own time management. You will see the rubric here. In order to complete it, follow the instructions. You will create this in a Microsoft Word or Google Doc, and then when you have saved that to your own computer, you hit upload, attach it, and then make sure you hit submit so that you can have me grade it. And then again, at the end of each assignment, there is a next button so you can get to the next part of that week, and then in each week you'll have a wrap up. And so please make sure you check out all of these things in the course. If you need to reach me, my information is under the instructor information under this modules. You can also check out assignments, quizzes, your grades. All of that is available here on the left, and I'm looking forward to working with you through this term. Take care.